Hello, YouTube. Bearded Guy Jeff Lawless with you. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, like, share us with your family and friends. Hit that notification bell. If you are subscribed already, we appreciate you. Glad you come back to watch us again. And if you want to subscribe, it's free. Come on now. But been working on this Revell model kit, 1948 Ford. It's the Greased Lightning car. So turn you around here. We got it finished. Here we go. The only thing I got left to do is, let me find some of the point here with. We use this. Alright, here we go. The little lights right there for the turn signal. I have to paint them with the turn signal paint. But I'm gonna do that probably either later tonight or tomorrow. I'm gonna let it set for a good 4, 5, 6 hours or whatever before I even touch it anymore. It turned out fairly decent. Yeah, it turned out decent. See if we can get the hood off without breaking anything. There we go. Let me get a light here. There we go. You can see the engine there. It's full flathead Ford. I didn't do a whole lot of detail, just a little paint work. That's all he wanted though. But like I said, I think that's it for right now. This one here is done. Like I said, it's gonna sit here till tomorrow, probably at least till morning. Let it set up real good, and then I will paint the turn signals, and it'll be gone down the road to its new home. Then the next, oh, there I am. Then the next one will be, I think I'm gonna start a 1969 Ford Torino. I believe that's what I'm gonna start next. It's gonna be for me. But like I said, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and consider subscribing. Like, share us with your family and friend. Hit that old notification bell up there. And we'll catch you on the next one. Peace out. God bless y'all. Have a good day.